Hello guys, today Daily Needs brings you to Zhejiang New Town, the beating heart of Guangzhou food and beverage scenario. For our 8th episode, we picked 13 factories, the most renowned representative of American comfort food in the city. Just a few steps from Wagyu, it's a must-go for burgers and American southern dishes.
Hi, I'm Justin, and I look after things here at 13 Factories. Our place has been serving a slice of home no matter where you might be from since 2009. We do this, in part, by making as much of our menu as possible from scratch to really give our customers that comforting feeling. We welcome everyone to come and enjoy the heart and soul we pour into your future meals.
Talking about soul food, what is more comforting than a great burger? Today we would like to propose you two choices, a classic one and a gourmet. Before moving to the kitchen, don't forget to follow our channels and give a like to this video.
Prepare our ingredients beforehand. Grind our beef cubes with a sharp knife and a cutting board. Now we can form a nice uniform patty with our hands. Now before we start cooking, we will season it liberally. Crisp bacon or speck. Toast bread. Cook patty about 3 minutes per side. Turn off heat and add our cheddar or gorgonzola. Now we assemble. Now we feast on these beauties.
Thank you very much, Justin, for having us today. It was really a pleasure.
It's our pleasure.
Let me just ask you, after all this flipping and melting, are you a classic guy or a gourmet guy?
Oh, I'm definitely a classic guy.
Then go for the classic one.
Oh,
Come on. The gourmet one is really good.
oh, it's classy, man.